Hi guys, today I will show you how you can install Git on your MacBook. Install Git, download Git SCM, okay, macOS, and as you can see, we will install it through brew. I already have video about brew on my channel, how you can install it and what is it. In this case, I will add the link on this video into description and up corner. Brew list. First of all, I want to check. Yep, I already have it installed. Of course, we can upgrade, reinstall, or something like this, but I think that better will be remove it totally and after that install it again. Brew, uninstall, git. It's only warning about my local configuration files that they were not removed. Okay, brew, install, git. And I saw that we have something interesting. Brew install Git GUI. We need it too. Why not? Git GUI. Great. How you can check that you already have Git in your system? Git -v. It shows the version which you have. It's really simple. Thanks a lot and see you later.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.